Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Do you ever feel like your mind is scattered, jumping from one thought to the next, making it hard to concentrate? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, focus can feel like a rare luxury. This 5-minute mindfulness meditation is designed to help you center your attention, quiet your distractions, and reclaim your ability to focus. If at all possible, find yourself in a comfortable seated posture, spine erect, head up, chin parallel to the ground, eyes closed, mouth closed, breathing through the nose. And we'll bring our awareness here to the tips of the nostrils, observing the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we exhale and we inhale. Inhale and we exhale. If you are experiencing what some refer to as the monkey mind, as in your mind is jumping and running and doing all the things except for staying in one place, basically all over the place, scattered, spread out. Meditation is the best tool that I'm aware of when it comes to training the mind to stay put. It may be challenging for some of us to just sit still for 2 minutes. So trying to get the mind to sit still for 2 minutes sounds like a bigger mountain to climb than trying to get the body to settle down. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. This is very normal. And if you are here practicing this meditation, you will benefit from it and it will help to slow things down a bit. Let's bring our awareness to the lower legs, and we'll relax the lower legs, focusing on the muscles in the lower legs, allowing them to release any tension. We'll relax the upper legs, relax the pelvis and the hips, relax the abdomen, the navel region. Relax the chest, relax the shoulders, relax the jaw, relax the forehead. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. Simply observe the flow of air. If you are distracted right now, if you are having difficulty keeping your awareness at the tips of the nostrils, use my voice as an anchor point. In order to focus, having control over the ability to guide the mind in whatever direction or place that we want it is what is required. The mind is in the habit of going wherever it wants to go. But right now, let's bring it back to the tips of the nostrils or my voice. Whatever you are distracted by, wherever your mind is going, this is okay. This is normal for where you are in your meditation practice, in your daily life. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils or my voice. This 5 minutes will help bring you 5 minutes closer to being able to guide your mind wherever you would like. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils or my voice. This is a normal part of the meditation process. If you've made it this far into the meditation, very good job. And continue to focus on the tips of the nostrils. Namaste.